Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. We have Blueberry on top of the travel cages, and I like to show how we get our birds used to traveling. We have the travel cage on the table, and I put some toys and put some food on top and let them play there and also eat there, and they get used to it. So let's see. Come on, Blueberry. Wanna go eat? So now he's not afraid to even land on the travel cage because Blueberry is such a foodie. And how about Rainbow? So Rainbow likes to copy every bird. So you want to stand here? No? Okay. So in time, they're going to get used to travel cage, and then when we need to put them in, it won't be as traumatic. You set the example. Okay, you want to stand here? Go eat. Step up. Good boy. See, Blueberry's doing it. How about Rainbow? You see? You see Blueberry's doing it. Okay, so we'll let them be and let them get used to the travel cages. Thanks for watching.